Today we're diving into a simple story with a pretty powerful message about working together.
So, picture this. One single grain of rice on a dinner plate, proudly boasting this. Okay, so let's set the scene. On a warm plate, a full meal is just sitting there, waiting. And that rice wasn't alone. It was joined by dal, some roti, and a few assorted veggies.
Now, while everyone else was just chilling, Rice was pretty sure it was the star of the show.
But, wise old Dal just smiled and was basically like, let's put that to the test.
And right on cue, a little kid shows up ready for dinner and to settle this whole debate. First, the child tried a spoonful of just the rice, and was not impressed.
So what's next? The kid mixed the rice with the dal, the veggies, and a piece of roti.
And with everything all mixed together, the kid laughed and cleaned the entire plate. Success.
In that one moment, that little grain of rice started blushing, finally getting the picture.
It humbly admitted that, it really tasted best when it was with its friends.
And Dal just nodded, totally agreeing. That's what makes the meal complete, right?
You see, this simple story is actually hitting on a piece of wisdom known for centuries.
This whole idea is captured perfectly in a traditional Sanskrit saying, a subhashita.
So the moral is pretty clear. Working together just makes everything way better.